solve the equation 2 to the power of n plus 8 to the power of n plus 16 to the power of k equals 448, where n, k are positive integers.
This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving a specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player.
N, and k are positive integers and satisfy the exponential equation. There are 3 variables and 1 equation. There might be more than one set of solutions. Note that 8 to the power of n equals 2 to the power of 3n and 16 to the power of k equals 2 to the power of 4k. So the left-hand side of the equation is the sum of powers of 2 if we write 448 as the sum of powers of 2, then we can work out n, and k easily to write 448 as the sum of powers of 2. We can convert 448 to binary by dividing it by 2 and then continue dividing the quotient by 2 until we get a quotient of 0. Then the binary form of 448 is just the list of the remainders in reverse order. By the power of a power rule, a to the power of n, all to the power of n equals a to the power of mn. The original equation can be written as 2 to the power of n plus 2 to the power of 3n plus 2 to the power of 4k equals 448. The left-hand side is the sum of powers of 2. If we can write 448 as the sum of powers of 2, then we can work out n, n and k to convert an integer in decimal to binary. Start with the integer and divide it by 2. 448 divided by 2 equals 224 plus 0. Continue dividing the quotient by 2 until you get a quotient of 0. 224 divided by 2 equals 112 plus 0. 112 divided by 2 equals 56 plus 0. 56 divided by 2 equals 28 plus 0. 28 divided by 2 equals 14 plus 0. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 plus 0. 7 divided by 2 equals 3 plus 1. 3 divided by 2 equals 1 plus 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0 plus 1. Then write out the remainders in reverse order. So 448 in decimal equals 3 ones and 6 zeros in binary, because 3 ones and 6 zeros in binary equals 2 to the power of 6 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus 2 to the power of 8 in decimal. So 448 equals 2 to the power of 6 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of m plus 2 to the power of 3n plus 2 to the power of 4k equals 2 to the power of 6 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus 2 to the power of 8. Because m, n, k are positive integers, so m equals 7, 3n equals 6, 4k equals 8. So n equals 2, k equals 2. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach.
to other problems,
such as this one. Solve the equation 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y plus 32 to the power of z equals 296, where x, y, z are positive integers.
you can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.